Hello viewers, welcome back. Ready to wear top and bottom in the collection and online purchase and website link through purchase. Big polka dots, favorite cotton polka dots. Black and white polka dots in the print. Very small zari dots highlight fancy sleeve crush skirt palazzo pair the price 1850. Top and bottom in the price 1850. Where item I'm sorry, the same item details polka dots top zari dots highlight നല്ല ഭംഗിയുള്ള skirt palazzo ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു palazzo നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു plain ടോപ്പിന്റെ കൂടെയൊക്കെ ഡിസൈൻ ബോട്ടം ആയിട്ട് വേറെ ഇതാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ is block printed, simply block printed straight top. നല്ല രസമുണ്ട് ട്ടോ block printed straight top with dupatta. And off-white color pure cotton bottom. This price is top bottom and dupatta price 1850. Ini oru item kude undu njan adu kaanikam. This is a muslin fabric. This is three items I will video. This is pure muslin fabric. Yoke area bucket shaped neck. Very classy bucket shaped neck. This pair pure muslin skirt normal palazzo. Flare palazzo pair. This is function right. Muslin is silk look. The price is 1950. Now, range in different varieties in the video. Polka dots with bottom and block printed top, bottom and dupatta, muslin top with bottom. If you want online purchase, website link through purchase. Customers visit. Thank you.